Looking for the best DeWalt impact driver? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 DeWalt impact driver on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. DeWalt 20 volts Max XR. Versatile and performs well. Long-lasting battery. Withstands hard use. Small size with a lot of power. Setting modes can be changed quickly. 3 LED lights make working in dark spaces much easier. 3-year warranty. A nice small impact drill with a lot of power. Battery not included. At number 2. DeWalt 12 volt Max. At just £2, it is very lightweight. A small and powerful tool that's perfect for the DIY crowd. Makes big jobs easy. Comes with a long-lasting battery. 3 LED lights for making the project area easy to see. Great for doing decks. A very lightweight and low-cost option. Not as powerful as other drills, but good for smaller projects. At number 1. DeWalt 20 volt Max XR Kit. Powerful. It offers 3 speeds and precision drive for maximum versatility. The included lithium-ion batteries give excellent run times. Package comes with a charger and a nice case. The pro's choice. This tool has everything you could want from an impact drill. Very few, though some users report chuck defects. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.